And these are the basic items you need when cleaning your fridge. You will need a clean kitchen towel just like this, liquid soap. Please do not use any liquid soap with a strong smell. Next is baking soda. Baking soda has so many uses. This is what I call the conqueror and the emperor. This is a game changer. This right here helps to remove stubborn stains, eliminate fungi and bacteria. It is so versatile and very, very effective. So use vinegar and lime if you don't have baking soda. And over here is a clean toothbrush and of course a clean bowl.